Welcome to the driveway, dudes, my dudes. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to change the air filter on a Hyundai Tucson. We access the engine bay in the normal way and we locate the air filter, which is on the right hand side as we're facing the front of the car. Removing the air filter is really easy. You just pop down the front cover, no tools required, and you have two little twist tabs. It tells you which direction to twist it to open it, and basically it just slides out. Like, fair dues to Hyundai for this design. I think all air filters should be like this in future. So easy to change, anybody can do it. You don't have to pay exorbitant prices to get your air filters changed. As a way to provide additional information, I'm going to throw a tape measure across this filter. So the first dimension we have is 166mm and the long dimension we get is 276mm. These filters are designed and engineered with locking tabs, so this may add to the financial costs of the filters, but it will save you on time and labour and make your job a lot easier. For ease, I'm going to look these up and I'm going to add a link in the description below to make purchasing these a bit easier online. But always check with your motor factors or your dealership. They have a bit of writing on them. It says Hyundai and Kia, so they are original parts, 28113. I'll look up this number for you and see if it's relevant. Refitting, once again, is dead easy. You slide the filter in, push the tabs, close the cover, and that's the job done. You can't put it in any other way than the way it's supposed to go. And job's finished. Job's a good one. Alright dudes, just as a quick demonstration, I'll show you me removing it and putting it back in with one hand. It's not a flex or anything, it's just a way to give you a bit more confidence in your own abilities. That's all from me today. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, or if you even own a Hyundai or even a Kia, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you have any friends that have a Hyundai or Kia, make sure you share with them, hit the like button, it helps the algo. And as always, thanks for watching and have a great day.